In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy World Liberty Financial Coin. In order to do that, you first need to head over to any application that you can find that actually helps you deal with cryptocurrency. So as of right now, I have MetaMask open, but you can also choose other options like Phantom, BitGet, Binance, or other options available right there like OKX, Sweatcoin, Telegram wallet, and the likes. So let's open right here our MetaMask. Once you're in there, proceed to click on the buy option right there. You can also go over and fund some options. Like for example, you can head over and click on browse and you can find right here some points for the WLF. So on this case, just proceed to actually click on fund and you can buy specific token. Now in here, just agree to buy specific tokens available and input right here the amount that you wish to actually use. We have in here Ethereum, but we can also change that. On your search bar, search in here for WLFI and you can find it right here. Just click on this. And then from in there, just input right here the amount that you want to buy. For example, let's choose $100. Input that right there. And once you're done, click on this. Input right here your payment method and click on get quotes in order to see how much it will take you to get it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.